Welcome to suprlyt AAC Blocks Industry. We are situated at 14th Mile, Sarutari, Sonapur in the Kamrup district of Assam. Spread over the sprawling area of over 30 bighas of land, we are the largest manufacturers of AAC blocks in the whole of Northeast India. We at suprlyt AAC Blocks Industry believe in building homes which are lighter, greener and stronger. AAC blocks manufacturing process starts with the preparation of the raw materials. The key ingredients for manufacturing AAC blocks is silica-rich materials like fly ash or sand. The sand is taken to the sand washery to clean it. It is also inspected manually to ensure maximum quality control. It then proceeds to the ball mill where it is finely grinded with water, converting it to sand slurry. Which is then stored in the slurry tank. Quicklime and OPC cement are stored in individual silos until they are added to the sand or fly ash slurry mix. The mixture is then poured into individual mixing units where it is mixed and churned at the agitator unit for set time until it is ready to be poured into molds. Now, before pouring the slurry, it is added with prescribed quantum of aluminium powder and gypsum. Before casting, the molds are coated with a thin layer of soluble oil. This is done in order to ensure that the green cake does not stick to the mold. Here, the ready mold is being carried for pouring of the mixed raw material for further processing. The slurry mix is being poured into the mold. The mold is being carried to the curing area where at certain temperatures aluminium react with calcium hydroxide and water to form hydrogen, causing the slurry mix to expand. Such expansion may be nearly twice its original volume. The molds are then placed in controlled room temperatures and allowed to settle and cure for some time. This ensures the cutting strength required for wire cutting. The entire operation is monitored using control systems integrated with computers. Once a mold is out of the pre-curing room, it is lifted by a crane for the demolding process. suprlyt AAC blocks are available in the sizes ranging from 600 by 200 by 75 mm to 600 by 200 by 250 mm as standard. The ready mold or the block cake is then carried to the cutting area, where it is then cut horizontally and then vertically. The block cake is then carried by the grouping crane to the steam trolley, entering the autoclave through the automatic autoclaving device. The steam is generated by the use of waste materials through an eco-friendly process, fed into the broiler and passed on through pipes. The finished product is then moved on to the transportation crane, where it is then taken to the separation area. The entire manufacturing process and monitoring adheres to the BIS standard IS 2185 Part 3 and Part 4 of 1984. With the installed capacity of 2.5 lakhs cubic meter per annum, capable of catering to 70 to 75% of construction requirements of Northeast India. The scientific lab in our plant employs the highest efficiency tests to ensure the quality of the product. The quality control team takes out tests on the entire program. From the density of the sand to the strength of the finished block. The double AC block manufactured in our plant goes through various stages of strategic and mechanical tests to ensure the highest of quality. The expansion and all our captive construction is being done with the suprlyt double AC blocks only. The entire operation is supervised from our corporate office situated at P.B. Chaudhary Mansion, Dr. B.K. Kakoti Road, above HDFC Bank Ulubari branch, 4th floor, Ulubari, Guwahati 781007, Assam. The separated blocks are then moved on by the crane to the finishing area, where they are then stacked and loaded onto the lorry. Which then is weighed and then dispatched to the respective destinations all over Northeast India.